So Realme recently launched the Realme Buds Q, designed by the French designer Jose Levy. That said, it looks similar to the Redmi Buds S, has similar feature and a similar price range. So the question has to be asked, how is the Realme Buds Q, and more importantly, how does it compare with the Redmi Buds S? Well, this is Manaf from TechVisor.com and I have been using this Realme Buds Q for a week now. So let's put it to test. Let's quickly see what you get inside the packet. So in the box, you get the Realme Buds charging case, a charging cable, which looks sleek and short. I like that. And two extra ear tips, one large and one small. I use the smaller ear tips to get the right fit. Also a quick PSA, consider keeping your box. So recently we had a problem with one of our Realme Buds Air and we weren't able to claim the warranty just by the invoice itself. They needed the box for some kind of barcode or something. So yeah, maybe take a picture of the box and upload it on Google Photos. Either way, moving on. Now moving on to the earbuds and the charging case. While I'm not blown away by the design, I mean the box looks kind of similar to the Realme Earbuds S with its black and circular shape. However, I have to say I prefer the Realme charging case as it has more rounded edges which makes it easy to put it in the pocket. That said, it's worth pointing out when you take out Redmi Buds from the case, the LED lights start blinking red, which shows the earbuds are in the pairing mode. However, there is no such lights in the Realme ones. But in my usage, I never felt the need of using these blinking lights, so I can let it slide. Now, I especially like the design of the Realme Buds over the Redmi ones. It's circular, blends well, and most importantly, goes flat when you wear it. So here's a side by side with the Redmi earbuds and the Realme ones. And as you can see, the Redmi ones are a little bit sticking out of the ear while the Realme ones fit perfectly fine. Now talking about the battery life, and this is where it surprised me. So the Realme Buds Q offer 20 hours of battery life on full charge. Now to give you a perspective, you get 24 hours of battery life on Apple AirPods while you only get 12 hours of battery life on Redmi Buds S. In my testing, I listened to music at 70% volume and got around 4 hours of battery life from a single charge, while the fully charged box was able to charge the earbuds around 4 to 5 times. So the effective battery backup is even more than 20 hours when you play it at 70% volume. The only thing I find lacking in the Realme Buds Q compared to the Redmi Buds S is the touch control. Here, let me show you. To pause and play the music, you have to use the double taps on either of the earbuds. The same is the case when you pick up the call. And then there is triple tap on either of the earbuds to go to next music. But these touch controls are hit or miss. The Redmi ones has physical buttons which works 10 out of 10 times. Here, check this out in real time. So say I want to pause the music, well, it doesn't work in the first few tries. Similarly, to skip the music, it takes few tries to get it right. Overall, I prefer the Redmi earbuds since it has a physical buttons. No doubt there. Now the most important part of any earbuds is the audio quality, and on the technical front the Realme Buds has 10mm driver while the Redmi one only has 7mm. But does it make a difference? Now talking about the audio quality in Realme Buds Q, well, it definitely has some bass to it and the noise cancellation is also pretty good. But other than that, the audio quality is quite decent, especially for the price, similar to what you get with the Redmi earbuds. Overall, the audio quality is not gonna blow up your mind, but I'm pretty sure most of you are not gonna complain in this part. Now talking about the call quality, well, for me the Realme ones was similar to what you get with the Redmi ones. Definitely not the best, but good enough for the price. Let's see if you can tell the difference. Okay, so this is the audio recorded from the device 1. Moving on, this is the audio recorded from the earbuds 2. And finally, this is the audio coming out of the earbuds 3. Okay, so what do you think? Which one is better? Well, the first one is from the Apple AirPods Pro, the second one was from the Realme Buds Q, and the third is from the Redmi Earbuds S. So let me know if you were able to tell the difference in the comment section below. Now moving on to the range of the earbuds, it was slightly lesser on the Realme Buds when compared to the Redmi Earbuds S. But this could be a device specific issue as well. So we will update you if we face similar problems in the future. Either way, this could be an issue, especially in the summers when you have to keep your door closed because of the AC running. And finally, there is also game mode like you get with the Realme Buds Air and the Realme Buds Neo. All you have to do is touch both of the buds for 2 seconds to enter the game mode, and then you will hear a sound notification of the engine starting. Low latency on PUBG, can't beat that. So finally, which one should you buy? Well, both of them are quite similar. They look similar, has similar price range and offer similar features like micro USB and game mode. That being said, I'm personally gonna go with the Realme Buds Q. It fits better in my ear, looks slightly better and has a way better battery life. However, it does miss out on an important feature. Yes, the touch buttons. So if that's what you want, go with the Redmi Bud S. That being said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below and I will catch you in the next one.